In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QuickBooks online account. We're going to walk through how to set up a new account inside your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential step for organizing your finances properly, so follow along on your own screen as I talk you through it. First, look to the very top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon, often called the Settings icon. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a menu that controls many of your company and account settings. From this menu, find the section labeled Your Company. Under that section, click on Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is basically the master list of all the accounts you use to track your business's money, things like income, expenses, bank accounts, and credit cards. Once the chart of accounts page opens, look again toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Click the New button to start creating a new account. Now you'll see a form with several fields to fill out. Let's go through the important ones one by one, because choosing the right options here will make your reports much more accurate. Start with the account name. This is simply the name you want to use for the account, so make it clear and specific. For example, instead of just bank, you might call it business checking account, so you instantly know what it is when you see it in reports. Next, choose the account type. This is the broad category of the account, such as bank, accounts receivable, income, expense, or credit card. Take a moment here and pick the option that best describes what this account is used for. The account type affects how transactions flow into your financial statements, so if you're unsure, pick the closest match or check with your accountant. After that, choose the detail type. This is a more specific description inside that broader account type. For example, if you selected an income account, your detail type might specify the kind of income. Read through the list and choose the one that most closely matches the purpose of your account. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be a good fit. Now it's time to enter the opening balance. This step applies if you're setting up a bank, credit card, asset, liability, or equity account. You'll see a field for opening balance and an as-of date. The opening balance is the amount of money in that account on the starting date you choose. For example, if you're adding a bank account and you want QuickBooks to start tracking it from the first of the month, use the balance from that date and set the as-of date accordingly. This helps ensure your starting numbers match your real-life records or bank statements. If you're creating a sub-account, there's an optional checkbox that says, "Make this a sub-account." Sub-accounts are useful when you want to group similar accounts under a main or parent account. For example, you might have a main travel expenses account and sub-accounts like airfare or lodging. If that's what you want, check the box and then choose the parent account from the drop-down list. If not, just leave it unchecked and this account will stand on its own. You'll also see a description field. This is optional, but it can be very helpful. Use it to add any extra detail that will remind you or anyone else using the books what this account is for. A short, clear sentence is usually enough, such as used for online sales deposits only. Once everything looks good, you're ready to save. At the bottom of the form, click Save to finish and return to your chart of accounts. If you know you're going to add more accounts right away, you can choose Save and New instead. That will save the current account and automatically open a fresh form so you can set up another one without going back and forth. And that's the full process for creating a new account in QuickBooks Online.